Welcome to Complete Car and RV Repair Center in St. Charles. We do have a dog park, complimentary. You can relax on our swinging chair outside. It is gated. My dad and I built this for Bailey and Caesar. Welcome their friends. So my dad and I are very supportive in the community for all the shelters around town. So when you come to Complete Car and RV Repair Center, and you can bring your puppy dog. So I have baby Zoo in here right now. And she's walking around. Zuzu, come here, baby. Come here. Come here. So she's playing in our doggy park. So Kim at Complete Car and RV Repair Center off of Newtown